What are you? It's Billie Eilish! This snow is getting a little bit crumbly, isn't it? Please let this work properly or else I'm gonna be very upset. So anyway, we have 5 apps here. Let's make a video for both my main and my second channel. Which one is which? I don't know either. So let's start with epoxy making because I've been really interested lately. Alright, let's start. Level 1, top and hole. What am I doing? Oh! This is easy. What is this? Oh, I get it. Alright. Oh my goodness, you saw that? But this is not how you do epoxy. Oh my goodness, where did it go? Come back here. This is... Oh my goodness, this is so weird. It's not freaking... It's not following my finger at all. Oh my god. I'm a life of his own. Come here. Are you serious? You call that good? Really? Oh, and I can make a chair out of it. This sounds cute. Next, I guess. What's gonna be next? Do I want to know what's gonna be next? I'm clicking. Oh, there we go. What am I doing? Just beat the shit out of it. Noodles? What? Ew, that sounded really gross. Oh my goodness. Careful. This part actually sucks so bad. It's so shitty. I wasn't even done yet. Oh, this is paint. Some nice patterns painting. Wow, great. Add some flour on top. Yeah, that will do wonderful. How long can a loading screen be for such a stupid game? Oh my goodness.
I want that treasure. Let's kill it.
Wow, that was some proper...
Yay, I did it! Go get that treasure. Ah, bumped into the orc. Try again.
I don't want to hear your stupid face in a box voice acting. Be the same one as a moment ago, are you serious? Ah, candy. Wonderful. Come back. Oh my goodness. Well, joking aside, I really want to make a table like this once in my life. It seems so fun. Okay, that was boring. Should we go on to the next one? Let's go to the tie-dyeing. That seems fun. Have I done tie-dyeing? I don't think I have, actually. Okay. What am I... Oh! Should I do it on the t-shirt? No, that's... Okay, I guess not. What am I doing? Just tapping. Okay. Oh, now I can do coloring. Freaking wonderful. What even am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just randomly adding colors at this point. I mean, this is pretty cool, I guess. Okay, now we... Oh, I thought the game broke for a second, but it's just an ad. Wow, that's gorgeous. No, I don't want to do the same thing ever. Go back. No, I don't want to do it again. I wanted to do a different pattern this time. Ugh, okay. What if I'm just gonna make, like, parts? How would that be? Okay, I guess I can't do that because I'm stupid. I tried. Dunk it. Oh my god. Get off! I don't want your ads, Google. And I don't want to make them either. Wow. What is this? New unlock. No thanks. Hey. Okay. What am I gonna do now? Same pattern, are you? No, this is different pattern. Ooh. I'm just gonna make some splotches all everywhere. Yeah, that's English. Just splatter it all on there. Just making some nice... I actually hate yellow. I don't like yellow at all. Next one I'm gonna make very pretty, alright? I'm just gonna do this if you don't mind. I feel like this is a little bit better. Oh my god, it's spiking. Okay. Ew. Okay. 75 bucks. Wow. A bathing suit. Wonderful. Okay, next client. Piss off. Ooh, purple hair. She wants the bathing suit. Ooh, I'm gonna do something cute with that. Okay, let's try to make something pretty, alright? Not by like specific patterning, just by coloring. Just by adding nice contemporary colors. Let me do some black actually in there. That's cute. Maybe. And some of this. And some of this. I don't know how this is gonna look, to be honest. I feel like this is not gonna be as pretty as I had hoped it was. Oh, that's depressing. And splooge. And sploink. I mean, that's not bad. It fits with her hair, I guess. Oh, I got 450 in tips. Which I don't want, apparently. Tie-dye shop. Very creative. Okay, another bathing suit. Her hair is reddish, so let's go with... What is this? Oh, I'm gonna go with some red, and if I'm correct, the black part will stop the ink from going through. I regret this color option already. I hate the color, but the idea is cute, right? Alright, let's add some bands and just go out. I'm just gonna splash. Yeah, this is working. Why is this just red here? Come on. I mean, white. What am I talking about? Oh my goodness. I do actually like the splashiness, or the... like it actually leaks through. Rubber ties definitely won't keep it that. Nah, that's not really it. I don't really like skirts in general. Most skirts anyway. Ew, yeah, I'm sorry, miss. That's not worth... What are you... It's Billie Eilish! Surprise me. How do I do that? Oh, I can pick for her. Select folding. Let's do this one. Okay, cool. Let's do something with green and black, I guess, because that's her color. That's not her color, that's her hair color. Don't mix those two up. Okay, especially green. Let's add a little bit of a different color green just for funsies. There we go. Sploink. Don't give me an extra ad. I already watched a really long one. I guess it's not bad. She likes it anyway. It doesn't actually fit with her hair. I messed that up. You get the idea. So she is happy anyways. I guess that's good. She wants, yeah, no choking your stupid dress. I don't want that. Boy, do I really want to make some slime? I want to make my own. Oh, I'm gonna make a fluffy slime. I want to add more glue. Thank you. Pour in some water. Why is it getting progressively more white? I'm so confused. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Add activator. Stir everything together. Wow, that was really quick. Let's go with Cray. That's kind of cute. I can add stuff. Oh my god. I'm gonna add fruits. Oh, I can add a second decoration. I'm going with glitters. Is it just me? Or does this look and sound like snow? This snow is getting a little bit crumbly, isn't it? Ice slime? What? I haven't seen them. Oh my goodness, there are so many slimes. Come on, add more. There we go. Add instant snow. Mix it. Let's go with turquoise, I guess. I mean, I have never made, like, actually a slime in my life, but I don't believe it's this simple and quick to do. Oh, I can add blue ladybugs? Heck yes. Give me more of those. Those ladybugs look really, really flat. Lacy bug? No. Wow. Amazing. Let's go with dark black. I want to get pure black slime. Yes. I don't... No. Oh, I can play with it now. After I watched an ad. Are you serious? Okay. Give it a good old spank. Spank it. Okay, acrylic nails. Because why not? Ah, that's some hip and happening music. Love? Why is it love? Let's go with stencils, right? Let's do black. Okay, I guess not. Let's do white then. That's a thick-ass brush. Oh my goodness! Holy shit, that's loud. Okay. I hope we are recording, else I'm going to be very upset. So I hated them all, technically. But I hope you at least enjoyed it, and you, well, I don't know. Whatever. Do something with it. Don't download these yourself. If you want to do anything like this, do it in real life. It's way more fun. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!